शाम के 6 बजते ही स्लीपिंग ब्यूटी अपनी नींद से जागते हुए और पैकिंग की तरफ।
Currently, I'm in Punjab and I have to travel straight to Karnataka to be at Bangalore at my office because my office needs me to join it for 2 weeks. I'm not in the mood to go there. I have a flight. This is gonna be my first flight of the life, and I am super scared. Recently, there was a news that one of the international flights of Air India experienced turbulence. So, this was just 5 or 6 days before my trip. Fingers crossed and praying to God that this does not happen with me, and this experience that is going to be my first experience flying does not turn out to be traumatic. Like, if it turns out to be traumatic, I'm not flying again ever in my life, and I'm returning from a train coming backwards to North. For this trip, I am accompanied by my father because my father has always traveled across India. He has been traveling to South most of his life for work purposes, and he is pretty much experienced, pro level experienced than me. I am happy that I'll be spending these 2 weeks with my father. So I haven't yet started packing my stuff, and I have so many clothes that I bought new because all the old clothing were worn out. तो अब तुम यहाँ तक आ ही गया, तो let's join me along.
So while I packed, I decided to have my Moxie anti-dandruff serum in, and because I have to wash my hair and I'm just planning to color them as well. And now comes the packing part. Clothes lying around. I had no idea what to take, what to not. I was feeling so brain dead, so I figured out one thing. I should be watching The Walking Dead. So I started my Walking Dead at one side and my clothes on the other. Then I called my sister who helped me figure out every single thing.
तो गाइज मैंने अपनी बहन को कॉल किया था टू फिगर आउट हाउ टू सेग्रीगेट द क्लोथ्स दैट आई नीड टू टेक एंड आई शुड लीव बिहाइंड. शी मेड इट वेरी क्लियर. शी हेल्प मी आउट सो मच. लाइक लिटरली इफ यू हैव अ सिस्टर, इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग. अब मुझे काफ़ी आइडिया मिल गया है कि मुझे इनको सेग्रीगेट कैसे करना है. क्लोथ्स आर द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज मेरे पास मेकअप सारा कुछ सेग्रीगेटेड रहता है बिकॉज आई हैड लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रैवल दिस ईयर. तो मेरी मेकअप किट पूरी रेडी है एज इट इज़. आई कीप इट वेरी सिंपल क्लीन गर्ल मेकअप. तो ज़्यादा मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. आई हैव माई किट रेडी ओवर हेयर. सारा कुछ है इसमें जो एसेंशियल्स मुझे चाहिए. हाईलाइटर से लेकर कंसीलर तक, आईब्रोज, आई लाइनर, एवरीथिंग, एवरी शेड दैट वी नीड इन मेकअप. सो एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन दिस रेडी टू गो किट. तो मेकअप की मुझे टेंशन नहीं है. इट्स ऑल सॉर्टेड आउट. तो 2-3 चीज़ें मुझे चाहिए थी. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड इट फ्रॉम नेकेड एंड आई गॉट एवरीथिंग. एक तो मुझे लिपस्टिक लेनी थी, एक नया शेड. सो आई गॉट माई सेल्फ अ फेसिस कैनेडा लिपस्टिक. इट्स सो प्रिटी. Like, it is exactly what I needed. It's not too much. At the same time, it's not too basic. Although I have curly hair, I still want to, straighten my hair in between. So I'm just going to carry my small straightener. Essential is your wallet. इसमें तुम्हारे आधार कार्ड, वोटर आईडी, जो भी तुम्हारी आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए, दे शुड बी हियर. सम मनी, सम चिल्लर, बिकॉज गूगल पे हर जगह नहीं चल सकता. कभी कभी नेटवर्क इश्यूज हो जाते हैं. सो मस्ट कैरी some cash with you. Then I have my screen glasses from Lenskart. Then I have my lip balm, the comb, the wooden comb that I use. Then the curl brush. Then my sunglasses from Lulu and Sky. Then the face mist from Moody. Then the hand washing papers. Like ये छोटे छोटे से मुझे किसी ने गिफ्ट किया था ये. So I keep it with me and it's very very useful. कहीं कहीं पे soap ही नहीं होता है. You have to use the washroom. You have to wash your hands. It comes very handy at certain times. Then also I keep a set of these Wintex paper tissues. These ones from Miniso, these are really cute, so I keep them with me. These are a little bit thick from the regular tissues, so then also I keep a piece, but I'm out of it. I have to order that from Blinkit. मुझे लगा कि मेरे पास है, but I'm out of it, and that is the most essential item that I need to have in my bag. So I'm going to order that. A mask, a scrunchie, and a rubber band. Then this little minion is actually gifted by my younger brother. मैं इसको हमेशा अपने पास रखती हूँ क्योंकि anytime I feel low, anytime I feel anxious or something, I just look at him and it just reminds me how funny he is, how funny looking he is, just like a minion. And of course, some handkerchiefs, then the jewelry, I keep this mini pouch. It has all of the jewelry. Like, of course, it's not real. If any thief is watching, don't steal it. It's nothing. And then there are some stack rings, some chains. This I got from Manali, gifted also. Then I have like बहुत messy है. I don't want to sort this out now. So there are some necklace, neck pieces, some earrings, and my stack rings, of course, and just this cute little. Then of course the sunscreen. I love this one. मैंने ये अभी start किए है recently, and I love this one because it's so light on the skin and does not leave a white cast. Recommended. Not sponsored also. Then I have this little mirror. ये भी मुझे gifted है. This one my younger brother gifted me like 2-3 years back on my birthday. अगर कोई मुझे घूर रहा होगा, I'm just going to do this. Also to apply my lipstick and stuff, you know, touch up my makeup if you want. Then of course my neckband. I prefer a neckband over earplugs because I don't trust them. I cannot. I'm too clumsy to handle them, so I just don't use them. I use a neckband. It's so easy to handle. इसको कैसे मर्जी तोड़ो मरोड़ो. इसको कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Last one I used that was from OnePlus. तो ये भी शायद OnePlus का ही है, but it was different. उसका red wire था. मुझे उससे ज़्यादा कोई फ़र्क नहीं पता चला. Then of course the private essentials, the belts, and my black nail paint, which is also from Faces Canada. A towel and a small bag. So this is also gifted, and yeah, I love this bag. मुझे मतलब I have seen Gilmore Girls. I love Lorelai carrying a shoulder bag, and this exactly does that. It's so small and cute, you know, just teeny tiny shoulder bag. Also, then last but not the least, ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਹੁੱਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਬੰਡਾਨਾ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਹੁੱਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਬੰਡਾਨਾ ਫਿਰਦੇ one banana, whatever you call it. Then मेरी कंपनी का आईडी टैग because ऑफिस जा रही हूँ बिना आईडी टैग के एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी भाई. Okay, one more thing. I got myself this big handbag. This is so good. मतलब इसका कोई वेट नहीं है खुद का, एंड इसमें मैं अपना लैपटॉप कैरी कर सकती हूँ, अपनी एसेंशियल्स कैरी कर सकती हूँ. ये मैं अपने ऑफिस जाने के लिए रखूंगी. आई एम कैरिंग ओनली 2 pairs of shoes, 1 heel, 1 boot. That's all. That's all for the video. If you like this video, you can like, subscribe, whatever you want to do, or don't do. Bye.